Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Kraken app on your cell phone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. And then once you open it up, tap on the search box and then simply type in Kraken and start the search. Once the search begins, you will find the Kraken apps. So go ahead and tap on it and you will find the install button. Tap on install and this will begin the download and installation of the Kraken application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is complete, and then when you see the open button, you can go ahead and tap on it to open up the Kraken application. Once the Kraken application is opened up, you can proceed with logging into your existing account or signing up and creating a new one to start using the Kraken trading platform on your smartphone. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Kraken application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.